here at...
Actually, today we are here at
Hello guys, this is Rohit Kejriwal and Rashid Sharma, and we welcome you channel. And today we have Bandel Church
over here.
A well-known church, a very good place for the visitors who are coming here for the first time. And the special matter of this church is the Pope from all over the world have visited over here, and we have every evidence of that. And we are going to show you that what are the things that we are going to...
That actually fascinated us so much that we put ourselves out here.
Yeah. So let's go and see what we have. Flowers are here and very good place to see. And trust me my friend, this place is completely free from pollution. A very sound, a very clean, with a breathing air that is so clean that you will feel like staying here forever. This is probably your attraction, and the best thing I would say personally is here
Wishing Well. So we are here at the Wishing Well where you can put a coin and wish as long as you what you actually want to desire.
Just all you need to take a coin, throw it into Wishing Well, and then you need to wish anything you want, and probably all your desires are going to be fulfilled.
So I would recommend you shouldn't miss this site whenever you come out here.
Should be going in? Yeah, it went. Okay, throw and have a wish here. Is it necessary?
फेस का लो 3, 2, 1 करने की जरूरत नहीं, ऐसे ही
Countdown is necessary. So, come on, buddy, throw it. I think your one had stuck there.
Are you picking? To go on, so we are actually heading towards Imambara.
You are exiting from the church,
Bandel Church.
It was a quite good experience for us.
And our heart doesn't say that we should leave this place. A very good place.
Very good place.
So
I prefer all of you to visit over here for once in your life. As we have told you that we are at a new place here. This is the Hansaswari Mandir. It has many modern techniques that you can see. But whereas there's not modern things, you can have a lot more regarding the Lord Shiva over here. So this temple is made up by the zamindars over here. You can see right over here. So those places are the houses of zamindar who had literally been making this temple, and so yet there is an
they actually own this temple, and it's actually a very historical and religious
and right
temple.
Now at the moment it is under Architectural Survey of India.
Being next to a temple named Vasudev Temple. So let's see how...
It's a terracotta temple.
It's a terracotta temple.
A point to be noted.
Let's see how does it unfolds. So this is the
terracotta temple, as you can
no, this one, this Vasudev Temple. Let's see what we actually got behind it.
Friends, and they had just arrived. You see, they are so tired. I'm the one who was traveling with a bike with comfortness, and look at this guy, man. He's so tired looking. You must have been seeing that guy who is sitting there. Man, this day is going to be remembered. So now we are heading towards
Big bite.
that big bite. Looks to be quite a good one for the one who is seeking for some delicious foods. We are here at Big Bite restaurant, and this restaurant looks quite good. You may see the decorum is quite good. I don't know why I'm making vlog of this restaurant, but I have observed it to be a good one. Definitely visit it. Yeah, you can definitely visit here because this is a good one, and I would recommend you because one who is traveling from afar and expecting a good place, this one is quite different.
It's waiting for Imambara is finally over, and we are out here in Imambara.
And I think this place is going to be the best one because it has 172 stairs that has to be climbed by us. Let's see what we have got here.
So let's see how this place actually unfolds our experience.
And trust me, it's going to be amazing. We are going to get inside. Places, a lot of interesting things to see here. This looks kind of a Saint Xavier's.
Place is insane.
Yeah, the
Place
place
is insane.
Xavier's, Kolkata. So this is the point we were waiting for. The steps of staircase starts from right there, and I'm gonna climb. So let's see what we have here. Going to be quite thrilling. Wow, man. Such a big bell.
Much more bigger than Jingle Bell. Finally, we are here after 172 steps.
And trust me,
Tired
it's
a lot.
very tiring.
172 steps. What is that?
You can assume it by looking at our face, man. We are probably tired. I must tell you that you need to worry about the Indian heritages because there are a lot of peoples that spoiling this beauty of India and how they are doing it. Just look at these names, man.
Look at these beautiful names.
Yeah, you should not be doing this. The names are carved like insane. What is S plus M, man? Now we are in the Toto, leaving the Imambara temple. It was so good. And rest of the friends are went with bike, and we too are here in Toto. And
It's obvious.
yeah, and we're gonna miss this place a lot. And within 5 minutes, we're gonna reach to the Bandel station, and we'll be heading towards our home.
And our trip to ends here. We are very much tired, and now we are actually heading towards home with no hope of continuity.
Waiting for our train to come.
It will soon come, and we will there at home.
Watching our vlog, for watching our vlog. Stay tuned for more videos, and we will keep on bringing some more interesting videos with interesting spots in this
We will try
channel.
our best.
Stay tuned. Thank you.
Just subscribe our channel, share the video as much as you can.